So, good day everyone. My name is Andre Jun Basergo, and in this video, I will demonstrate how to set up and connect two Ubuntu virtual machines in VirtualBox and test the connection using ping. So, let's start. First, I'm gonna release the Oracle VirtualBox. Then, go to Settings and then go to Network tab and ensure that the adapter 1 is enabled. Then go to attach and click the bridge adapter and click OK. Then so please start. Then go to settings and click the settings again. Then go to IPv4 and press manual and type your address. My address is 192.168.56.101 and next is netmask 255.255.255.0 and last is gateway. Just put your IP 192.168.255.0 and the DNS you should type 8 or 0.8, 0.8 and 0.8 and click apply. So as you can see the address, the netmask and the gateway that and the DNS that I input. So this is my IP address, my hard way, and my default and the DNS. That's all. Okay, so good day everyone. My name is Anrijun Basergo, and since I don't have a partner, and I'm here to show you how to configure IP configuration. So first, click the Oracle VirtualBox and go to settings and next is go to network tab. Oh, so it's okay na. Then you can start, press start or click start Then go to settings. Since I don't have a partner and I'm gonna ping my own configuration, I'm gonna change this to 2 and I'm gonna apply. So now I'm gonna ping my 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 address, IP address, and first go to terminal and just put put there a ping and input your IP address 192.168.56.101. So that's it, guys. That is how you ping your that is how you ping your IP address. I'm gonna close the terminal.